Plidco Shear Plug, the industry's safest and most reliable high-pressure, high-temperature line plugging solution. The Plidco Shear Plug is the safest and most reliable way to isolate a piping system for repairs or valve insertion.
The shear plug allows the customer to keep their plant up and running. It does not require a shutdown of the entire plant. The Plidco shear plug offers customers a temporary or a permanent way to isolate sections of their pipe to insert a valve or do repairs that could otherwise have been impossible or not able to be accomplished with stoppling. The shear plug offers a high pressure, high temperature solution when nothing else will work.
We had one shear plug application where a customer had spent $250,000 on line freezing, another $120,000 on 2 stopples, and it was unsuccessful. We presented the information on the shear plug, and our shear plug went in for $108,000 and got it done the first time.
The shear plug is literally designed for your toughest line plugging challenges, with high pressure lines from 600 to 2200 psi and high temperature lines above 600 degrees Fahrenheit.
The shear plug is basically a metal-to-metal seal, so it's basically like installing a gate valve where a gate valve didn't exist. It is the best solution for high temperature, high pressure. Provides a metal-to-metal seal with the redundant sealant backup. We have plugged such lines as catalyst, high-octane gasoline, fuel gas, boiler feed water, superheated steam. We've handled 2,000 psi without a problem. We've done up to 800 degrees on a 14-inch line.
High pressure and high temperature lines at refineries and power plants, paper mills, steel mills, and chemical plants. The Plidco shear plug handles live lines where other methods simply won't work.
We've actually been called out on different scenarios where our competition have had 3 or 4 attempts at plugging a line, and we've come in upstream of their units, plugged them off, their units were removed, and the customers were successfully able to complete their work.
We get called in when other solutions don't work.
The unique design of the shear plug system makes it unquestionably a more reliable way to stop even the most hazardous high-pressure, high-temperature lines.
What differentiates the Plidco shear plug from stoppling would be a positive metal-to-metal seal.
It's very unique. It provides a metal-to-metal seal. It's basically assembling a gate valve in a line piece by piece.
In addition to a metal-to-metal seal, a redundant sealant backup is applied to further assure line stoppage, making shear plug not only the most reliable method, but the safest method as well.
Every part of the shear plug has been engineered with redundant safeguards to back up every single aspect of our process. Our track record speaks for itself. We've never had a man injured in the field.
If you're dealing with high-pressure steam, high-temperature lines, or flow rates that make line stopping difficult and dangerous, then the shear plug is the right solution.
Plidco has been installing shear plugs for over 20 years. Our customers like the fact that they can depend on us to come in, and our solution works the first time.
If you use a double stopple, it's more expensive, it's going to take more time, and you're not going to have as an effective line kill as you are with a Plidco shear plug.
Why stopple twice when you can do one Plidco shear plug?
Plidco shear plug is the fastest, safest, and most economical solution for line killing in the industry today.
Plidco Shear Plug, the industry's safest and most reliable high-pressure, high-temperature line plugging solution.